Hi guys and welcome back. What an interesting day in the markets. Bitcoin went up to 27,200 and got rejected from there. And now the question is, what are the next levels that we have to watch? Will we fall back and drop to the downside, or can we find support and move higher from here? That is something that I want to talk about because I have found something really interesting that you should definitely want to know about. So definitely make sure that you stick around here and that you are subscribing to my channel, like this video, and also activate the bell to push the algorithm that as many people as possible can see this video. And now let's jump directly into today's content. So first of all, let's talk about what happened today during the day so far. So Bitcoin went all the way up here to $27,245. And if you remember, guys, I told you around here that I opened a trade. Yeah, kind of like here, over there. Yeah, so here in this region, I opened the trade and it went exactly to our target here. So congratulations to everyone that took the trade with me together. You can have a look here. I closed the trade. So here's the PLN. You see I made 30% on that specific trade. So that is for me good enough, almost 31%. So for me that is good enough on a trade like this. And that of course is always good to bank profits. So yeah, congratulations again if you took this trade together with me, guys. And now I'm looking for the next one. So $27,200 is still big resistance, and that's why I decided to close that position around that level and not let it run as some other influencers are doing it right now, which have opened around the same level. For me that was a little bit too risky because you see we are almost back at my entry. So, and I rather long again from my entry and ride it up again until we finally break through it and let it run. So, or we come now back up, break through it, then I also would jump back into the trade. So you can see here the 200 weekly, the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly chart is coming in here. There is also resistance around $27,371, but I think by next week we're gonna see a break to the upside here, and let me explain you why. I had mentioned the other days that we have fair value gaps in the chart, and they are created by imbalance on the chart. So, and that means imbalance is created by an impulse move to the downside, and this impulsive move has to be balanced out on the other side. So this did not happen yet for this impulse move, this imbalance, this fair value gap that we are seeing here. So it has still to happen over here. And like with CME gaps, rather sooner than later, they always get filled. So this could literally be happening next week, that we go all the way up to $27,562, which would run us into the next bigger resistance level all the way up here. And if we break that, then most likely we go directly up to the next fair value gap, which would be then around here, this level of 28,630, 28,776. So I am trading now for over a week fair value gaps across different currencies in the crypto space, and it's working tremendously good. It's like clockwork. You see one, you wait for the counter move, you take your profit, you run away, you wait again for another gap somewhere. So it's crazy how well that works. And don't forget, guys, in my course that is coming most likely next week online, there I explain how to use specifically fair value gaps imbalance in the charts and how you can be pretty consistent with your profits using it. So definitely go again to the AMCrypto.us website and pre-register for the course. The pricing will be also on there from next week onwards. I have 3 different options that you can choose from once the site is completely online, but sign up now. So let's move on here. Here on the daily chart, not much has changed besides that it looks potentially like that we are bottoming out here with the candle that we are forming today. So, and tomorrow if we see a push to the upside, then we know for sure. If we push to the downside, that's also fine. Then we most likely go to $26,400 ish, in my opinion. Yeah, we will kind of go, yeah, 26,555. That would be most likely the level that I would be looking at. So, and if we're looking here at a support zone, then the support zone is still kind of like, yeah, it's a small one. I would say that would be the imminent support zone that I would be looking at, from 26,363 all the way up to $26,600 approximately. So once, like I said, I say it again, once we are breaking above $27,100, $200, Bitcoin will move really, really quick here to the resistance of this falling wedge and will attempt another breakout, in my opinion, and that will be this time the legit one that we want to see. So just give it a couple more days, but I'm pretty certain we're gonna see it, and then we can take from here a legacy position that we can run up to over $30,000, in my opinion. Here also on the 4-hourly chart, here was something that, yeah, I remember what I wanted to show you guys. Soon might be a bullish divergence forming. I'm not sure if you guys spotted it already, but I saw a potential here. Because we are here going up, but the price is going down. So we could see here a bullish divergence playing out in the over the next couple of days, but this on the RSI is not enough for me yet. We need there at least another day or two, and also the price could still come a little bit lower here to the 0.786, again $26,500, before we see this bullish divergence playing out. And something else gives me an indication that we might head a little bit lower than where we are right now is that we got rejected here now 3 times in the last 3 candles on the 4-hourly chart on the golden ratio 27,081, 27,222. So, and also the point of control of the VPVR is still where it was yesterday, around 28,100. Unless we are reclaiming that, we have to remain bearish here in the immediate short term. There's nothing bullish right now on the chart. Only if we reclaim the 28k 30k area, we can get here a little bit more bullish. Guys, also don't forget, once I take my next trade position, take it with me together on BYBIT so that we make money here together. Get yourself also a almost 31% profit position with me together. I had posted the trade in my Telegram group so everybody could benefit from it. Be also one of them and get your account on BYBIT today. You still get $30,000 for signing up on BYBIT, but only with my specific link. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.